Today I'm here at the world famous Intimate Elements, and today we're going to be doing a wrap, as you can see, on two machines. They are gonna look epic, so stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to leave a comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Thanks, guys.
Okay guys, what you're seeing here is two blank canvases. These vending machines are what the project is today and what we're going to wrap. These are custom made wraps that we have done. You'll see what the end product would sort of look like with these existing wrapped vending machines. So you'll see all of the purples, the light purples, and then these highlighted pinks. We did a wrap for these a few months back and they turned out great. So the end result will end up, these machines are going to have wraps completed for Intimate Elements. So if you're looking to brand your business, take an ordinary machine and then you can transfer that into whatever your brand could be, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So as we go along this process, take a look at the methods and the branding and give us a shout. We can be contacted at midlandsvinyl.com. Here you see that I'm getting the vinyl prepped on the side of the machine. I'm going to be using magnets since I'm by myself and need extra hands. This is the best way to ensure that the vinyl doesn't shift while placing everything into its proper alignment. Be sure to have the proper tools when applying vinyl. The last thing you want to do is have vinyl that you're trying to work with and then have to take it off or make cuts. Have everything needed ahead of time. Have your station clean, accessible, and ready to go. Now that we have applied the vinyl, it's slick as glass. Just look at how smooth everything turned out. This is what you want when you're applying the vinyl to any surface. Now that we've applied the vinyl to the left and right sides of the machine, we're going to move on to the front side. Now that you see the front has been applied, we have to cut out these windows. So we're using a template that I cut out from acrylic to get that perfect size, as well as taping everything off to make sure everything is aligned perfectly for the window placement, and then the product placement that you can see through it. Here I'm going to show you how I am cutting out the placement windows using this acrylic blank. This size is a 4 by 7-inch plate. That way it ensures that product placement with the picture will be inserted into these little windows. Be sure that the knife that you're using is sharp. You may replace blades during one project several times to ensure that that cut is precise and clean with every swipe. Trust me, this is a very tedious project, very time consuming, but you want it to be something that is perfect. And just like that, friends, you can see from basic to wow. Transform your product, your brand, your business to the next level. Let Midlands Vinyl do that for you. And just like that, folks, it's a wrap. We've completed this job successfully. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for allowing us to show you what we do behind the scenes for this commercial job. If you want to make income, if you want to drive customer experience, your brand awareness, let Midlands Vinyl do that for you. Thanks for tuning in today to this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next. If you have time, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you next time.